What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keon. I'm back with another review. Today we're reviewing the 2023 Ram 1500 Bighorn. I'm here with my boy Duran.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? It's Duran here from Scott Evans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram Sales Professional. Like he said, we're showing our Ram 1500 Night Edition. Man, this thing right here is one of a kind, man. Come check it out, man.
All right, let's get to the video.
Alright guys, we got the Night Edition grill, man. You got the 5.7 under there, that V8, man. That is something nice, man. Just look at this thing. Look how beautiful it is. You got your 20x9 wheels, man. The hard rock wheels. Man, you got your step bars, everything like that. You already got it in there. You don't even got to put it in there, man. Come follow me, man. Like I said, the Bighorn, nice blackout edition. Fan favorite. Got your electric towing package. Everything like that. Your tow hitch right here, man. 4x4, gotta have that. You know that's a must out here.
Mud flaps, nice. The black on white, I like that. The trim.
Yeah. And like I said, that Night Edition, man, you can't even beat that right there.
Turner sitting on the mirrors. And this is that 1500, that Hemi e-torque, that mid-engine. So you got the 5.7 V8 mixed with a little electric power.
You got your fog lights on here. You got your parking sensors. Man, you can't get close to nothing without it alerting you saying you about to hit it, man. Y'all sure y'all ready for this? Y'all sure? Man, you got that e-torque in there, that Hemi V8 5.7, man. You cannot beat it, man. This thing gonna last you a lifetime, man. Look how clean that thing is, man. This is art right here. This is beautiful. Just look at this. Check this thing out.
Climb up in this thing.
Man, look at this beautiful package inside of this car, man. You got your limited blackout edition. Look at the seats. Look at this wheel. You got your 12-inch screen right here. Dual climate control. You got your temperatures right here. Your fan speed right here. Already navigation in there. You don't gotta even use your GPS on your phone. Got the different signals right here. Your different home screen where you got your navigation and your music and stuff. Got just your media right here on this screen. Of course, you got your FM radio, your Sirius XM. And if you want to connect your phone like most people do, you can just connect it. Of course, it has Apple CarPlay as well. The thing that
is it wireless?
Wireless CarPlay as well. If you want to just mute it right here, say you just don't want to be bothering anything. Say you just want to turn the screen off. Boom. Touch it back on. You got your heated seats, your heated steering wheel. If in the wintertime you get in your car, your steering wheel nice and cold, just turn that thing on. Man, you got heated steering wheels, you got your heated seats, like I said. And then if you don't want to do this thing manually right here, you got your electric fan speed, your dual climate control, how you want the air to come at you. Like I said, you got your navigation, man. You can search anything. It'll show you the closest gas stations, closest coffee shops, closest restaurants. Let's just see, for example, Sunoco. Take me to Sunoco, 0.4 miles away. Drive. Boom, it's gonna take you right there, take you just how to go to it. And of course, man, if you wanna just connect your phone, pair your phone to it, wanna do everything on your phone, on your 12-inch screen, you are fully free to do that. And then you got your mirror dimmer right here. People are a fan favorite of it. Your mirror dimmer, and then if you wanna just see who's behind you, that rear view camera, you can see everything that's behind you. And then you got your different settings in the, for your 12-inch screen. You got your profile display mode. Say if you want a different theme, you just don't want it like this. Boom. 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 And then you got your different apps, man. Your Alexa, that's something that's very popular. Android Auto, for the people that don't got the iPhones out there, if you want that Android CarPlay, boom, you got it as well. And then you got all your different towing packages right here. You got your USB-C, USB cord on the left side. You got your auxiliary cord, and you got your USB-C and USB on the other side, so nobody can be complaining about chargers. Everybody got a charger. Oh, and you got your 4-wheel drive package right here. Your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low. Another fan favorite, you got your automatic start and turn off. Say you just at a red light and you just want to save gas a little bit. As soon as you put your foot on the brake, that thing will turn off. As soon as you take it off, thing will turn right back on. People like it, people don't like it. It's your choice to have it. You can turn it off or you can turn it on if you want to. You also got your very, very big space. Look at this thing right here, man. This thing is just so neat. Like all the details on the Ram, man. Got all this space in here. You got another component right here to where you want to charge your phone. This is to hold your phone if you want to just put it up right there. Don't want to hold it, don't want to be bothered with it. Nothing like that. Very nice, very nice. And then you got your little mini department right here where you got your USB cord right there in the back. Something that's very clutch, very reliable. And then you also got your other 12 volts cord as well. Man, you got plenty of charging spaces in this car. You got a storage right here as well up top of the glove department. And then you go in your glove department, very spacious, got everything you need, of course, your manual and everything. And then boom, all my people like music. All my people love music. Them Alpine speakers in there, man. You just can't beat the Alpine speakers, man. You always got to have the Alpine speakers. And then you got your rear stuff right here, rear controls. Say you want to open that sunroof, that panoramic sunroof. Just keep going, keep going. Then we got to open this side. You don't just have your sunroof in the front, you got your sunroof in the back as well, man. And then say you want to open that back door, boom. Got your control to open your back door. And then you want to tilt your vent. Say you want to close it again. Don't want to really be bothered with it. Want the AC on. You can do that as well. Something that's really cool about this car is if you have any questions, any assistance, you can always press your assist button. It'll dial straight to the manufacturer and you'll be able to talk to them. Your SOS, same thing, just for any emergencies, anything that goes left in the situation, you will be covered and you'll be taken care of. And then we got your home garage source. If you want to pair your garage to it, you can use it as an electrical garage opener. Of course, you got your mirrors and everything here. Very nice, very nice.
And then it's mostly leather in here, the black leather with the white stitching on the seats. Yeah, it's nice.
Very nice truck, very nice truck. Then you got your back seat. Like I said, you will never worry about charging. Everybody's gonna have a charger port. On the left side, you got the USB and the USB. On the right side, you got the USB and the USB-C as well. You got your dual AC condition right here. You'll never have to worry. Man, I'm 6'2". Look how spacious it is back here, man. Man, it's like I'm in the front seat back here. Check
plenty of room.
This thing is unbeatable, man. Something that's very cool about it, you got your cup holder in the middle, and then if you just pull up right there on each side, under the carpet, you gotta pull it on the other side. You got your storage on each side of the car. In the back seat, you got your mini storage in the back. Say you didn't want your stuff in the trunk, you wanted to be a little bit more secure, you got it right here under the floor. And then you lift these up. Say you didn't want to have your seats down or anything, you got so much space back here, you can fit anything back here really, as well as your bed is too. Man, you got the nice long bed, All my guys that be carrying a lot of stuff in their trucks, all the space in the world. Never have to worry about space for real. You got all the space you can ask for. Yeah, man, this is our Ram 1500 Night Edition, man. Y'all gotta come get it, man. This thing ain't gonna be here for long now.
And make sure when y'all come to Scott Evans Dodge in Carrollton, Georgia, you ask for Duran, a cool guy, man. Get you in your dream vehicle today. Man, I take care of you, man. Everybody's family to me. All my customers are like family. Come see your boy at Scott Evans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. You'll get in this Ram 1500 Night Edition, man. All right, we in the bighorn. Business, we're in business. Man, we taking this thing on the road now. Smooth so far.
The thing I like about driving these things, man, is like, you know, you driving a car, it feel like you're driving a car. That's
feel like you're on top of the road too.
Man, what?
Nice. I like that sound, that nice gremlin sound.
We all out there trying to get a truck and just thinking about what truck to get. Man, that Ram, unbeatable. Can't beat it. Y'all hear it. Yeah. Y'all hear it. I don't even gotta say no words. Y'all hear it.
Nice. It's weird not having something to
control right there. You gotta turn the knob like you're turning up the volume or something.
Yeah, that rotary down. I don't know if I can get. Even with the GT500, I want to get it.
Yeah. So I can't get jiggy with it. Huh. Play some of this music for y'all so y'all can hear what these Alpines sounding like.
Your only option, I don't play no motherfucking game. She could ride my face, I don't want nothing in return. And will I ever?
It's just smooth, like it just goes. Like and I like that sound.
Man, what? The aggressiveness to it, man. That's one thing I'm looking for when I get a truck. I want that aggressive sound. I don't want you not be able to hear me when I come past. Oh, whenever I get on that gas, you know I'm there.
And it's beefy, so
Yeah.
you just feel like you're on top of the world. You're sitting over everybody.
Oh, see, man.
So this is a brand new car. I really got no miles on it, so I ain't trying to go too crazy.
Right.
I'm just getting that kick down one time.
Yeah. Let them at least.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Get a little feel.
Get a little feel for it.
That Hornet moved too.
Yeah, for real. I've never drove the Hornet yet.
Yeah, almost 300 horses.
You know they coming out with an RT Hornet in 24?
Yeah, that's what Thomas was telling me.
Yeah. I think people that are in the Hornet market's probably gonna wait till the RT come out. I mean, I think it's, unless you really don't care about going fast for real, get the GT by any means. Get the GT. But if you want to see what that kick talking about, you gotta get the RT. You gotta get the RT.
That 8-speed transmission on this is fast. It's sharp.
Yep.
It's just different having this in the truck. That's why I see why people get those track halts. They get the TRX
because you're sitting comfortable.
Right.
It just got everything you need. You
all the creature comforts. Yeah.
You just sliding it. You just going fast.
And it's a different feel to have something this big and move.
Yeah. And the thing is, it's not even the thing about going fast in this too. Honestly, it's just. Look, man, like you can't beat this. That night edition, like that's
the rims will set it off.
that gets me every time.
You got the perfect ride though.
I tell this to everybody, I don't care what color the rim is. Really, it's only a couple colors that I'll be picky with. But if it got that that night edition, man, that just makes that makes it.
They got auto stop start. Oh,
yeah.
They do. Yeah. Man, they just went quiet. I was like, man, it scared me for a second.
He's like, no, nothing turned off, did it?
That's the smoothest stop start I ever felt like.
Yep. Well, no, that's on, is it?
Yeah,
it is on.
That's to turn it off.
Yeah, it would be, the light would be on. It was on. To me, it's crazy how you can use Siri and Alexa in it. Yep. One of my favorite features is like, bro, I'm not always big on the screen. Like sometimes I just want it out of the way. I just
turn it off.
Right.
Especially at night.
Yeah. Not trying to have a bunch of light.
I like how intuitive it is.
Yeah.
Like it is quick, snappy, responsive.
Thing just black. Turn it on. Boom. That's just hard right there.
Man, y'all better come get this truck.
Man,
it was a guy when you had went in to deal with another customer.
Yeah.
The guy was like, "Yeah, man." He said, "You getting it?" I was like, "I'm just doing a video on this." He said, "Man, that's my favorite truck."
Come get it.
Yeah, somebody
come get it. Y'all hear it? These things gonna be gone, man. Y'all gotta come get this. Y'all gotta come get this.
It's a big truck, but it's just the smoothest just make it.
Man. A lot of people think when they about to drive these big vehicles, they think it's gonna be, oh, I'm not gonna know how to drive it. It's gonna be too big for me or whatever. I'm not gonna know how to drive it. But these things drive like cars, honestly.
Easy to drive, man.
Yeah.
It's easy to drive. The turn radius is not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Mess around and
You would think with the big tires it would be too. There we go.
Alright, man. Alright, this gonna be it for that video. Man, y'all like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below and tell me how y'all think about this new 2023 Bighorn.
Come on out, man.
Yes,
Ain't gonna be here long. Y'all gotta come get this thing, man. Come check it out.
Shout out to Scott Evans Dodge.
Yes,
in
sir.
Georgia. I appreciate the run.
Come see your boy, man. Hey, I'll take care of y'all. Like I said, customers is family to me, man. So come see your boy, and I'll definitely take great care of y'all.
It's Keon coming through. It's been another video. We out.